How do you use the no parking rule, refusal to pay, cease and desist? Well, it's exactly what it says it is. So basically, you're identifying a collection that was placed on your credit or your consumer report, and they violated the law by not sending you a notice. So by finding this one, you found that there's a no parking rule violation. Then you invoke the refusal to pay, cease and desist. Now, when you invoke the refusal to pay, cease and desist, it limits a debt collector's responses to one of three responses. So the first response is to terminate all debt collection activities. The second is to let you know, hey, we are going to take an ordinary action that we can take, meaning that we might take you to court. And then the third response that they could possibly give you is that they intend to invoke the specified remedy, which is to sue you or take you to arbitration or wherever to commence an action that they could ordinarily take. Those are the three responses to a refusal to pay and a cease and desist. The no parking rule identifies the violation that was done. So if after you send this no parking rule, refusal to pay, cease and desist, a debt collector responds to you, and it's not one of the three responses that I just gave, that is a violation of the FDCPA 12 CFR 1006, and you can sue this debt collector and get a bag from this debt collector for FDCPA violation and continued reporting of information that it knows to be inaccurate.